Hey friends, it's Beth from Rekindle Blessings. Let's make a really cute little Easter decor. This stencil is from Essential Stencil. Y'all, I can't remember the name of the stencil, but it is one of their new spring stencils. And the color is pink. It is from Dixie Belle. We are, and I get that from to9designs.com. And this is wood bend that I am cutting and putting on here. I just cut it long enough to put in the little areas there, and I'm overlapping it with and adding some wood glue, laying it down, and I will reheat it again here in a second. You see me reheating just so it will grab a hold, and then I'm mitering the corners by cutting it at an angle, and it will I will take those extra pieces off and underneath, and it will make a mitered corner, if that makes any kind of sense whatsoever. And then I'm going to use this paint that we make here at Rekindle Blessings. It is black and copper from New Penny from Paint Pixie. We are going to use a little bit of wax on this mold that I got from to9designs.com. It's one of the new IOD spring release molds. I love this sweet little thing. I have yet to use this. And I'm adding some pink in the ears and on the little nose. And oh my goodness, you guys, it is so stinking cute. Anyway, I'm going to attach that here in a second. But I went to grab some greens so that we could add some greens on here. And I didn't want to attach it before I laid my greens down and decided where I wanted it. But I think I do want it at the bottom there. So, and then I thought I'd try this bow, but this bow ended up not being what I wanted. So I grabbed some more ribbon so that I can make a larger bow. And I just made an awareness bow and give it a tie in the center with some jute. And then we're going to lay our bunny on there. I'm just hot gluing. We're laying the bunny down. And then I'm going to go around it with some Rub and Buff. And I added some Rub and Buff to the little bunny. And then we're going to lay down all of our greens. I'm just hot gluing those as well. And then I'm going to take that bow and put right in the center. And oh my goodness, you guys, this turned out so precious. I'm looking for a sweet little pink button, and I found the exact one I wanted. We're going to lay that down right on top of there. We're going to dovetail those ends on the bow. And look how precious this is, you guys. It turned out so sweet. And then I just used jute for a hanger, and I added the jute to the back, and voila, look how precious this is. I love the way it turned out. I hope you guys like it as well. Do me a favor, you guys, share this out, and if you do not follow along, follow Rekindle Blessings. We'd love to have you.